Hey guys, so this is going to be JJ's first time him actually pranking Bo. Bo's actually showing Damien right now.
My first time actually pranking Damien.
Okay, I'll get her right now.
Welcome back to JD's World. Today I am going to prank my dad with an air horn. He's going to be sitting on the couch and then I'm going to grab the air horn and put it in his ear. And it's going to make a really loud noise. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. So please, I'm going to sit down so you shake it with me, okay?
No, like that, baby.
Don't make a mess, Damien. I gotta email you.
We love you. Okay, Mama.
I don't hear the flu.
I'll look it over right now. You guys sit that?
I can't even see. Why you do that?
JJ is still a newbie, guys. But that was a good one, baby. That was a good one.
My wrist.
That was a good one. I told JJ, hey baby, you want to just record you pranking daddy or something? JJ was literally on the iPad looking up ideas. And I was like, oh, you know what, baby? I just seen the air horn.
That shit hurt my ear.
How do you feel? Look at Damien. Damien was so excited. Damien knew too.
You knew?
Yeah.
Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. So I'm gonna put this on Daddy's ear, and he said he down to the couch, and when I shake it, it's like.
Oh. Okay guys, so Damien was in the shower. He was in on the prank. So I told Bo, you gotta take one for the team and let Damien do it to you. Go Damien, Daddy's waiting. Daddy doesn't know. Hurry, Daddy doesn't know, he's sleeping. Hurry, he doesn't know. Whoa.
Thank you, JD's World. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Shark do 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 do, baby. Shark do 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 do.